Welcome. In this video I will show you how to secure your HONOR X7d. So in this video I will provide you through the essential security walkthrough to guide you through the biometrics and password section of the settings menu. So let's first open the settings, scroll all the way down to security and privacy section, open it, then scroll down to device unlock option, and here before you add any biometrics and password, let's select a screen lock. So you can either set up a 6-digit pin, or if you want to set up a different unlock method, you can choose one of these 4 options and then provide your own password like this. Tap done once you provided your password or pattern twice. Then let's go to biometrics and password, and let me show you how to protect your device using fingerprint ID and face recognition. So let's select fingerprint ID and let's add a new fingerprint. Before you add a new fingerprint, remove any case that you protection case that you have on your phone, and then use either a microfiber cloth or any dry towel, maybe even a paper towel that you have around, to wipe the surface of the scanner, which is located on the right edge of your smartphone, to ensure that it's smooth and will read your fingerprint better. So now let's tap new fingerprint, then add, and then place your finger and then try swiping it at left and right to cover the entire area of your fingerprint. Make sure to use different parts of your fingerprint to ensure the best experience. Tap OK. You can also rename your fingerprints if you'd like by selecting rename option. I'm not gonna do this right now. I don't see any use in this option for me, but if you, for example, if this phone is used by different people, then of course there is a reason for that. Now let's also set up a new another fingerprint. So let's once again wipe the surface of the scanner, and I want to add the index finger on the of the left hand. If, for example, I'm gonna grab my phone like this and will want to unlock it. So tap add once again, and let me cover the area with the second fingerprint. I recommend adding the fingerprint in the position in which you will be using it. Now tap OK, and let's now try to unlock the phone. OK, this finger worked, and this finger worked too. And now let's move to face recognition feature. To enable face recognition, you have to tap Get Started. Then make sure that your front camera is clean, so also wipe it with either microfiber cloth or the dry towel. Just make sure that you can clearly see your face in camera. Also adjust the light in your room for the same reason, and when you're ready, tap Get Started, and then look directly at the camera. Make sure that you don't have any accessories on your face, and now let's try to unlock the phone this way, and as you can see, it worked well. Now let's go back and let's see what theft protection does. So the theft protection option will lock your screen if the setting detects that someone took your device and ran away. To enable it, switch this toggle to the right, then tap OK, and you can also enable the offline device lock, which will make your screen lock shortly after your device goes offline, as it says right here. So you can enable it in the very same way and disabling it, providing a fingerprint ID. And that's how you can secure your device in the essential ways. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.